ACCA Foundation Diploma, we are going to speak about it. There are some questions which students, they very frequently ask, and I'll try to answer those questions. Number one, what is ACCA Foundation Diploma? Who should do it? Why they should complete ACCA Foundation Diploma? Which papers, how many papers are there? How much time does it take? What is the cost of the total diploma? So these are very common questions which most of the time students are asking. So first thing, let me tell you that when you say accounting qualification, so ACCA is the largest accounting body. And when we say ACCA qualification, we mean ACCA professional qualification. I repeat, ACCA professional qualification. To begin your ACCA professional qualification, you should have either a university bachelor's degree or you should have A levels completed, okay? So either you have a bachelor's degree from a university in any field, or you should have, A levels completed. If you do not have that, and probably you have 10 years of, maybe you don't have a university qualification, or you do not have A levels completed, rather you have done O levels, or you have done matriculation, which is in some countries we call it, or you have done intermediate. So you have done actually 12 years of education. If this is a situation, then you cannot start ACCA professional qualification, okay? In that case, what ACCA offers you, that first you complete your foundation diploma, and once you are done with the foundation diploma, then you can move on to ACCA professional qualification. So as the name suggests, it is the foundation, it makes the basis for ACCA professional qualification. It looks like that there are some additional papers which you need to take. So of course, you really want to begin with ACCA, but then ACCA says that go and first finish the foundation diploma. But it also helps you because when you complete your foundation diploma, you get few papers exempted from ACCA professional qualification as well. So some of the knowledge which you get here, you can skip it in the next stage. So anyways, let's see what are the papers. First, let me show you. So you've got list of 7 papers here. We call it FA1, recording financial transactions, MA1, management information, FA2, maintaining financial records, MA2, managing cost and finance. And then you have FAB, accountant in business, FMA, management accounting, and FFA, financial accounting. These are 7 papers which you have to complete in foundation diploma. I'll go back again and tell you one by one. For example, FA1, recording financial transaction, it has a very short syllabus. It is not really very difficult or tough. Most students can complete this paper, in less than 2 months. So it's very basics of accounting. It is an introduction to financial accounting. Let me tell you that these 7 papers are focusing primarily on financial accounting and management accounting. And the first paper is FA1. Very simple, very easy. Second is MA1, management information. This also has a very short syllabus. So this is actually introduction to your management accounting. And the paper name is called management information. It also, like MA1, it has, like FA1, it has a short syllabus. And I suggest to students who are starting foundation diploma that they should start or take these papers together, both of them together. So, if you can study 3 to 4 hours per day, you can finish both of these papers in, 10 to 12 weeks, which means 2 to 3 months. Within 3 months, you can finish both of them. If you are giving 3 to 4 hours per day, you can take these 2 papers as a pair, FA1 and MA1. And easily finish them in 3 months' time. Easily finish them in 3 months' time, considering you are studying 3 to 4 hours per day, which I expect that students should be studying. Then come FA2, maintaining financial records. Now, this paper is actually, it is a continuation of your FA1. So this FA1, the next stage is FA2. This paper has slightly lengthy syllabus, of course, because you are moving to an advanced level, FA2. So you can, you can see that there is a difference in syllabus. And these two papers, I can say that you can do together in 3 months. And then you've got maintaining financial records. You can take it alone, or you can take it with MA2, the fourth paper, which is called MA2, which is an advance of MA1. Okay, so they go step by step: MA1, MA2, FA1, FA2, and so on. MA2 also has a lengthy syllabus. So I can say that this paper, if you if you want to be a little bit relaxed, you can take them one by one and finish it in 2.5 months, and then finish it in 2.5 months separately. But if you are more dedicated and you have that, willingness to accept the challenge, again, you can take them together, but it will take you approximately 4 months if you start them together. So these two papers. So FAO2 and MA2 have slightly lengthy syllabus, and these are a bit more challenging. But the good news is that when you move on to your next papers, FMA and FFA, and FMA, these two papers, they are very much similar to the previous ones. For example, if you have done FA2, this FA2 will help you a lot with FFA. You can say that 80% of the syllabus is, there are many topics which are coming similar. Similarly, this MA2 will become very much similar to FMA. So once you are done with FA2, FFA becomes very easy because a lot of overlapping of syllabus is there. So the things which you will learn in FA2, you move on to FFA, you find almost the same. If you ask my opinion, very honestly, I don't understand why do they give them separate names, because they are so similar. There is 80% of the content and the level of difficulty is almost the same, almost 80%. So it means that what we understand, we say that we got it here, that, okay, this is, I can do this very easily. This is also I can do, I'll do, but this FA2 will help me in doing FFA, and this MA2 will help me in doing FMA. So, and then comes your FAB, Accountant in Business. This is the only paper which is all theoretical. This is all theoretical paper, okay? So there are no numbers, no calculations. Like all these other 6 papers, they do have calculations and numericals. This part FAB, which is all theoretical paper, it is about business, it is about organizations, how do they work, how organizations are managed, what are the processes, what are the departments, and so on. So this is all theoretical paper. It is quite easy. If most students, they do it in less than 2 months. You can do it in less than 2 months, okay? So less than 2 months time is here. So I can see that 3 months are here. 4 months I allocate for these 2 papers, maybe 2 months or whatever you can say. And then these 2 papers together, once you have done your FA2 and you have done your MA2, then you can do these 2 papers again in 4 months or even less. So total, if I see, it makes me 3 plus 4, 7 to 9 and 4, 13. So it is 13 months being relaxed. So most students, if they are giving, like if you're starting today and you are willing to give 4 hours per day, 4 hours per day, you can actually complete these 7 papers within 1 year. If you get a little bit relaxed, then probably you will do them in 15 months or so, okay? So it is 12 to 15 months of time period. Okay, so next, what is the next stage? Once you are done with these 7 papers, what will happen? Now, remember in the beginning, I told you that your goal is not foundation diploma. Your goal is doing ACCA professional qualification. So this is ACCA foundation diploma, but you want to move to ACCA professional qualification, which has 13 exams, but you have done 7 exams here. So once you do 7 exams here, then you don't need to do 13. You will only pass 10 exams from ACCA. You will get 3 exemptions because these 3 last papers, They are the same in ACCA professional qualification. So once you have completed your foundation diploma and you move to ACCA professional qualification, ACCA will say, okay, you have already passed these 3 exams, so you do not need to pass these 3 exams in professional qualification. And instead of taking 13, you will do 10 exams. So it means that if you have a university degree, you go straight to ACCA qualification, you will do 13 exams. If you do not have a university degree, you come to foundation level first, and then you go to ACCA professional qualification, you do 7 plus 10, 17 exams. So this is the difference. So foundation, it looks like that you are doing 7 exams, but in the end, 3 exams are transferred for the next qualification and you do only 17. So these are the papers. Syllabus, like I told you, I mean, when you will see these courses, you will see the syllabus in detail. So I'm not going to explain each one of them. The only thing which I want to say that if you pay attention to this syllabus area, this is like financial accounting, this is financial accounting, and this is financial accounting. So 3 papers from financial accounting. This is management accounting, this is management accounting, and this is management accounting. So 3 papers from financial accounting, 3 papers from management accounting, and 1 paper from business management. We call it accounting in business. Time period to complete, approximately, like I said, that 12 to 15 months. If you are disciplined, 1 year is enough. If you are relaxed, probably you will take 3 months, 4 months extra. Exams, how to register, you can go to ACCA website, which is, accaglobal.com, and you can do your self-registration there. You do not need anyone to do registration on your behalf. Of course, if you require Vertex, we can provide you guidance, but every student can do their registration themselves. It is very easy. Just go to accaglobal.com, choose the qualification, ACCA Foundation Diploma, upload your documents. Documents are your ID card, your photo, your educational certificate, your school or university, whatever you have finished. Copy of that and upload it, and you will pay a fees of, in some countries they charge 79 British pound sterlings, in some countries they charge 45 pound sterlings. Once you upload the documents and you pay the fee online or on ACCA website, within 10 days, they will accept you as a student. Many students, what they do not register with ACCA. They start their qualification, they start their courses, they start learning. And when they know that they have to take exam in 3 months' time, so only 15 days before exam, they register with ACCA. It is also possible. You can do registration in the beginning, or you can do registration 10 or 15 days before exam. In either case, it works. I mean, you don't have to be an ACCA student to start learning this thing. You can start learning this thing today. And then you can register with ACCA just 10 to 15 days before. When you are ready for exam, you do this thing. Where do you take exam? Go to Google, write down, ACCA CBE exam center, write down your city or your country name, whichever country or city you are located. You should have ACCA CBE. CBE means computer-based exam center. CBE, computer-based exam center. So write down ACCA CBE centers. They will give you a list of the exam centers which are near or close to your location. You will give them a call and you will say that my name is this, and this is my ACCA student ID 4545455, whatever it is. And I want to book FA1 exam, or I want to take MA1 exam. And they will see their, availability. And they'll say, okay, you can take exam on the 17th of this month, or 19th of this month, or 25th of this month. So it will depend on your choice, which date you want to choose, provided the availability is there. You go to exam, it's a 2 hours exam. 50% is the pass mark, which is very easy to get. And if you do not get, 50% in these simple exams, then you should actually forget about this qualification. 50% in these simple exams or these easy exams, everybody should be scoring at least 50%. So you take that exam. It's an MCQ type of exam. There are short questions and 4 options, one A, B, C, D. Some questions are theoretical. Some questions, they require calculations and you find out numbers and put it there. Not really very difficult. When you will come to Vertex platform, you will see a lot of, we have this online testing system, which is very similar to ACCA style of exam. And you will do practice on our portal as well. Anyways, you take exam. As soon as you finish the exam, immediately they give you the result sheet. So you say submit and enter, and you say submit, and instantly your result is shown on the screen and it is printed out from a printer. They give a printout in your hand and you walk out. You are done. How much is the exam fee? It depends on different exam centers, but it generally is close to or in between $100 to $120 for one exam. Like I said, but it depends on exam center, but it should be close to $100, $120 or something. Okay. So this is about Foundation Diploma. If you come to, or if you join Vertex, we have got very detailed courses for all of these subjects. Our courses, they include what? Our courses, they include actually everything which you need to pass the exam. For example, you will get the lecture videos, which mean the topic videos. Okay, you get lecture videos, you get question videos. We provide you with notes, short notes. We provide you with quizzes. There are a lot of quizzes there. We provide you with progress test. Okay, we provide you with the mock exam. And most of all, very important, we provide you with the tutor support. We provide you with the tutor support, which means that you will be added to our WhatsApp group. And if you have any questions, you can ask in the WhatsApp group and your tutor will respond. Above all, we also arrange weekly live sessions for doing extra practice. Okay, so once you join Vertex, you will be entitled to attend one weekly live session with the tutor to ask your queries. You are already asking in the tutor support group, but still, if you want to ask something face to face, you can ask them in the live sessions. You can do more practice in the live sessions. And like I said, that if you follow the plan which we give you a day-by-day study plan. We provide you with a day-by-day study plan, what you should do on day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, and so on. And if you follow the plan, we will make sure that you finish all of these 7 papers within 12 months. Okay. And what we need commitment from you, that you say, I will study 4 hours per day. So you give me 4 hours per day. We'll give you, or we will help you in getting this ACCA Foundation Diploma in 12 months time. Okay. So this is all about Foundation Diploma. You've got any other questions, you can, mail us, you can write us. We have a live chat option on our website. You can write down on the live chat. You can send us any email for any queries which you might have or which I have not answered. So thank you very much for your patience and listening. I hope that this information is, it should have cleared some of your doubts. In fact, many of your doubts, actually.